Good morning, students. Welcome to KP classes. Today, we are going to discuss an important topic of class 12th English core. Okay, in today's class, we are going to discuss the note making. Note making and summary writing come in the same question. Okay, both questions are of 8 marks, means 4 marks of each questions. But it is quite essential to understand the note making. Okay, first of all, we have to understand what is note making. What is note making? Note making is an art. Okay, note making is an art through which we get an idea of a given passage only by a single glance. This underline point is very important. Single glance. Note, you are having much familiar with this term notes. We are habitual of making notes. Okay, here the same thing is there with quite with some differences. Okay, suppose when you are in attending a lecture or where when you are reading something, it is not easy to keep in mind each and everything. For keeping the concept or things in your mind, it is quite essential to have the idea of making notes. Okay, so we will understand it. Okay, what is note making? Note making is an art. Now the question is there, how is it an art? Okay, through which we get an idea of a single passage only by a single glance. Means when you are making notes of any given passage, when you complete your notes, if anyone other can glance on it, it is quite clear what is there in the passage. Okay, it is quite clear in the passage. It's very helpful. As I told you, it is very helpful. Now the question that what type of help we get from the note making? I'm giving you the practical example. Suppose you are preparing for any competitive examination like IIT, PMT, NDA, CA, etc. Okay, you will find the syllabus is very vast. So, how you are going to handle smartly the points? It is a challenging job. Okay, so for this, if you have the art of note making, it is quite helpful anywhere in a bigger cities who is preparing for the UPSC examination, IS, PCS like this. You will find they are getting the news in points. The same pattern is going to follow there. So the importance of note making and what is note making, I think it is clear to all. All of you clear this point. Okay. Next is that in CBSE, in 4 marks, how we are going to write or prepare a notes by which we will get full out of full marks. Okay, it is a scoring. For this, you have to understand the format first of all. Note making. What is note making? You know. Now we will deal with the format. Format of note making. Format of note making. First of all, by the given passage, you have to read it carefully and you have to find the proper title for the passage. Title should be justified and giving an idea of the passage. Okay, in the beginning, you have to write a title. Okay, after that, you have to writing heading, subheading, subheading, subsubheading, subsubheading, heading, subheading, subheading, like this. By the passage, at least you have to give the 4 or 5 points. Okay, and in that 4 or 5 points, you have to find a subheading, you have to find a subheading, subsubheading, like this. For this, you will follow the steps which I am going to deal here, but the format is the same. It is not essential to write a subheading in each, but subsubheading and subheading you have to provide. First of all, you have to divide the passage into 4 or 5 parts, and by that you will deal with 1 points, that is going to be your heading. Okay, suppose there is a title India. Okay, about India. In the first paragraph, there is a description about its density, and in second it is diversity. These are called headings. Okay, in diversity, you will find Punjabians are the different in dress, Southeastern dress is different, like this. These are called. We'll deal it in detail. Okay, now the next thing is that in the last, abbreviation key used in notes. When you will prepare the notes, you will write the short forms also. You can use the symbols also. Okay, like for the word BP, if you are writing blood pressure, in the place of blood pressure you will write B and P. Okay, B dot P dot. Okay, suppose you are writing science, for the science you will write SC. Here one thing is very very important. Suppose you are writing the short form of 2 words or 3 words, or if you are writing the short words of single words. Okay, short form of single words. Then like in blood pressure, here you have 2 words, blood and pressure. So B is capital then dot and then P is also capital then dot. But if you are writing a abbreviation of single words, that is science, then you will write S in capital and C in small letter, and after that dot. At least I think 6 is more than enough in writing a abbreviation. Abbreviation is quite important, and wherever you put the abbreviation, you will just underline it. Okay, underline it. Understood now? Format, I hope you clear. In this way you have to write a format. Now the important thing is steps of note making. Steps of note making. For this, you have to read the passage very carefully. You have to read the passage very carefully. When you are reading, at that particular time, you just got an idea what are the main points, main contents in the passage. You have to underline it. You can underline the important points either in your mind or either in your anywhere else. After that, take the main points and follow the format as I have suggested. One thing is very very clear. The note should be written in phrases only. Phrase you are understanding now. Phrases, use phrases, maximum phrases. Okay, means the notes is never in complete sentence. For this, you have to avoid the use of preposition, the use of conjunction. Try to synthesize your ideas in a shortest form. Okay, content should be divided logically. Okay, I'm telling you that whatever the notes you are making, that is your content, and that is going to be divided in a logical way. Not means in your passes, if anything given in the last, there is no need to write that thing in the start. So proper in a proper way you have to means you have to shape your notes. This is very important. Okay, next thing, abbreviation and symbols. As in the format I told you, abbreviation and symbols also you have to use. You can use symbol also, you can use symbols also, but abbreviation is the better option. Like for and you can use this type of slash, plus, addition, minus, division. These symbols you can make. Okay, but try to use maximum shortest form. Okay, by the passes you get the passes and you get the notes. In this part you understand in what way you have to make the notes. Okay, and what way you have to understand. In the next video I will tell you about the process of note making by giving you one example. I hope you understand the note making in a proper way. Okay, this is a scoring marks, so don't be in hurry and makes the notes perfectly. After 2 or 3 practice, you will able to understand the process of note making very properly. I hope you get the idea of note making, and by next video when you get the example, you will able to make the note properly. Okay, if you have any problem regarding this lecture, you can ask in comment box, and hope. Okay, thank you.